they just went past this area too.
Roger, can you send that grid again?
Roger. I don't know that the strikers went through here too.
Glass where that was.
It looks like about 5 minutes ago some strikers just rolled through this area, and it looks like these guys are trying to employ some IEDs. Alright, get eyes back on them. Behind the strikers. Got eyes on them.
Roger, if you could, keep eyes on them.
Roger, got eyes on them. Got these guys?
Roger, I'm looking at the road right now, and it looks like
Your 1014 is available,
I think it's one individual winging into the Patrol Road.